Hey everyone, this is Dino Monoxelos, and in this video I'm demonstrating the all-new Zipper optical compressor pedal from my buddies at Tsakalis AudioWorks. Now, I have to be completely honest with you. At first, I wasn't a big fan of compressors or compressor pedals, mainly because out of my own ignorance, I really didn't know what they do. I always thought a compressor pedal basically was there to squash your sound and squash your dynamics that you would normally get out of your own two hands. After living with this compressor pedal for quite a while now, it's actually apparent to me that it does just the opposite. It brings stuff out of my playing and out of my hands that I normally can't get without having a compressor pedal. So let me demonstrate here. So right now I've got it dialed in, I've got the compressor activated. So if I disengage the compressor pedal, okay, still sounds like a bass, but a lot of those dynamics that I normally get with the compressor are gone, okay? The one thing I love about this compressor is it is completely musical. It doesn't sound mechanical, or it doesn't sound like there's a compressor in my signal path. Okay, so let me re-engage it. Okay, so two controls on the compressor pedal. You have a level control and of course the compression control. So if I bring it all down, both down, I get no signal, okay? Disengage the pedal. Engage. Bring my level up to just a little bit more than what it was with the pedal off. So I've got the level up, but I'm still not using the compressor side of the pedal. If I engage the compressor side, if I go all the way up, okay, you see how it squashes my sound. Okay, so I'm just going to add enough compression so that it keeps check of my high end or my transients, but doesn't squash them. Okay, disengage. Re-engage. So you hear a little bit of boost in my signal when I engage the pedal. That's basically because I have the level turned up just a little bit higher than my normal signal. But I'm also engaging the compressor side, so I'm not blowing the roof off of my signal. So, okay, I'm pulling on those strings pretty hard. Watch what happens if I lose the compressor side of the pedal. Okay, my transients are all over the place. Even on the bottom end, I can bring the compressor pedal back in a little bit. My bottom end gets really nice and tight. And my high end stays in check. And it actually brings a lot of those harmonics that I have a hard time getting without the compressor. So if you do a lot of heavy pick playing or if you have a heavy attack or a heavy pick, or in my case, if you do a lot of heavy slapping, this pedal really has become an integral part of my signal chain. Okay, so the compressor pedal, disengaged, engaged. And you can mess around with it. I mean, take the level all the way down, you get no signal. You can dime it all the way up, bring the level all the way up, bring the compression all the way up, and you're full compressed. Okay, I can pull on the strings as hard as I want, and it's still going to compress, but it still sounds musical. It doesn't sound like my signal is being squashed. If I disengage the pedal, re-engage. Okay, dial the compressor back. So there you go, guys. The Zipper optical compressor pedal from my friends at Tsakalis Audio. You cannot ask for a more musical and user-friendly compressor pedal than the Zipper. Whether you play bass or guitar, live or in the studio, it really is an important piece in your signal chain that you really should check out. So my name's Dino Monoxelos, and like I always say, play more bass.